Today we'll be determining the concavity, the vertex, the axis of symmetry, the x-intercept, and the y-intercept of a quadratic function. The concavity is basically the graph, whether it's downwards or upwards. Upwards or downwards. A trick here is that you can check if whether A is positive or negative. If A is positive, that means it's open upwards or opens upward. For the vertex, we're going to be using these formulas. We have H equals B, negative B over 2A, and K equals 4AC minus B squared over 4A. Let's first identify the values. We have X, we have 1, B is equal to negative 6, and C is equal to positive 5. Let's substitute. Negative times negative is positive, which will result in a positive 6 over 2. We'll be dividing, and it's a 3. For K, 4AC minus B squared. We'll be substituting 1, 5. Multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Negative 6 times negative 6 is 36. But since there's still a negative sign here, this becomes positive. It will still become negative anyway. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 36 plus 20, negative 36 plus 20 is negative 16. Divide, we have negative 4. So the vertex form is 3 and 4. For the axis of symmetry, it's basically just x equals h. And now that we have the value of h, which is 3, then the axis is the axis is 3. If you remember x-intercept, it's basically y equals to 0. To solve this, all we're going to do is use any of the methods in solving quadratic equations, if you still recall one of the lessons. And we can use negative x minus 1, negative x minus 5, but remember to substitute transpose. So the x-intercepts are 1 and 5. The y-intercept, on the other hand, is x equals 0. We're going to substitute the value of 0 onto x, which is, we have y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. Add 0 to substitute. 0 times 0, we have 5 remaining. And this is how you determine the following.